In this video, we will learn how to add products to Shopify. Let's get started. Here is my Shopify store dashboard. On the left side, click on Products. Then add your products. Here, choose a title of your product. Here, enter description. I am not going to write the description, I will generate it from here. Here, I will enter the product title and then click on Generate Text. The product description is successfully generated. Click on Keep. You can also add style to your text as well. Let's move on to the next section. Here, add the media file. Choose Images and open. You can add media files from the URL as well. Now, move on to the next section. Enter product price. You can enter compare at price or cost per item here. You can checkmark charge tax on this product. In inventory, you can mention product quantity. Checkmark continue selling when out of stock or add SKU or barcode of product here. You can decide here whether the product requires shipping or not, and also enter product weight here. You can add custom information about the country and product code here. You can add product variants like size or color. Go over there and choose Active Status. Here, you can organize your product by defining category, product type, vendor, collections, and tags. Once you are all done, click on Save. Let's go back. Product is successfully added. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.